good time. We love to have a good time.
This is our campsite. Cars there. My tent broke. The trippies this. Same tapestries from Imagine. Look at these people, they're living.
Yes, we're living on planet Earth.
So this whole place is like staff camping area. So just got done taking a shower. We have like the trailer shower things right next to the porta potties. So staff camping, pretty boosh. Sham and I are gonna go to the marketplace village thingy. I don't know why, but we're just in the mood. Oh, my little chicken, my little chubbly wubbly. It's kind of where the venue is at over there.
Over yonder.
And we gotta cross to get to the regular like vendor village area, and then like the regular camping people as well. And it's just that big old road here. Just for anybody who goes there for next year. Oh, there's so many vegan options. So we have all of the food literally lined up on one side, and then you got all the vendors on the other side. And literally like every place has vegan options, yeah, which is good for Sham. So that's the altar. We were getting married. That's the stage. And then this is the like workshop area. And this is Steve, the guy who literally made all this happen right here.
Oh, stop. Oh, we are awake.
You guys remember Zach?
Where?
The one-legged raver.
Oh, now it's personal. Yes. We're back at Lost
And
Lands.
that's Jake.
Hi.
What do you need, man?
Good morning.
Do you need an energy drink?
Let's do it. Let's get up, man.
There you go.
Wow. Hello, Zachary.
Hello, Jakeman.
Now, explain where we are today.
Ohio.
You get a little undershot of your testiculars.
Oh, you're so big. Okay, so we're getting ready for the welcome ceremony. Our little stage. There's Maria's little cute butt.
All right, reporting live from the welcoming ceremony. Let's go, Lost Lands. We got our special guest Charge and Bubble. Yes, that'll be right here. Look at that. Typical Frisky hug moment. This welcoming ceremony footage will be brought to you by me tonight. Enjoy. And welcome back to the pre-welcoming ceremony gathering. We are in our 10th minute of taking pictures. He's doing an amazing job, by the way. I've learned a lot. This is our squad.
Look at me! Manny had to run to the bathroom and he left his GoPro with me and Brent because he didn't want to take it with him. And Manny, if you see this, I love you and I'm so happy to be hosting this workshop with you and working with you. I almost just knocked Brent out swinging around, but yeah, it's just really great to be here. We're just surrounded by love, nothing but love, and we're gonna get started, and I'm just happy to be here with you. I'm happy that you're here and I love you. Bye.
I'm happy to be here. This is actually my first Lost Lands. Believe it or not, I got invited, and I can't believe that something so magical like this even exists. I'll be honest. The amount of dinosaurs, everything that's going on already, all you people, you're all so fucking nice. Like why? Are we at a desert rhythm festival?
With intent to change. Deepen the breath through your nose. Inhale deeply through your nose. And the chest lifts up. And then you feel the breath expanding through your body as you exhale like an echo through the corners of your body. The breath moves down to your feet, up through your feet to the crown of the head. And then actually, you know what? Fuck it. We're gonna go ahead and push some boundaries here. With consent with the person sitting next to you, please. Consent is sexy AF. Hug the person next to you. Turn and hug someone. Hug someone.
Just do it.
Yeah, group hug if you're a third person. Get in there.
Lost Land vibes.
Fourth Lost Lands. How are you feeling about it this year?
I'm very excited. The pre-party stage is going to be lit, and then the vibe is just immaculate.
Why do you rave?
Honestly, I feel like it's just a release from all the stressor in daily life. It's a time for everybody to connect and just let go of reality.
How many can share that concept? Yeah? love that. I love that. I love the integration of reality in festivals. If we can, once we come here and we realize and accept this as like a bubble that's separate from everything else, how can we dissolve that boundary and pop that bubble and bring the festival home with us?
I only have one candy pack left, okay? So it's gonna go to you. But I have a very delicate question. All right, is Plur dead? Why or why not?
It is not dead. I do not believe it is dead. I mean, really, any festival that I feel like I've been to, it is just such a heartwarming, loving community, and everyone that you meet and talk to and just pass by is just so nice, so compliments you, and it just gives me chills. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Got you. There you go.
So, this is my best friend right here. Thank you. And I went to Forbidden Kingdom with her this year. Yes, it was amazing. And I remember it was, we were leaving one of the main stages and just kind of walking. It was the second day, and I was like, God, the drum and bass yesterday, I just need some more of it. And immediately she's like,
I do ever. So that's just what I do, and I do it for the love. I really, thank you for recognizing me.
How you just ended up being here, that's me. This is my first year. I've never been to Lost Lands. Me and my best friend got into the EDM scene in 2011.
And I was with Two Legs, and that was the only festival I had ever been to with Two Legs. And it was the best time of my life. It was my 21st birthday, and it was really, really cool. The following August, I got in a motorcycle accident and obviously lost my leg. And I did not think I was ever going to rave again. I had that mentality, oh, this is it, you know, very depressing, very, very tough time. 3 weeks after I lost my leg, I went to Lost Lands again. In the wheelchair, so if you guys are here year 2 and you saw someone crowd surfing in the wheelchair, that was so it brought me right out of my shell. So here I am, my 4th Lost Lands. And it was really cool when I was in the wheelchair too, because I got to go backstage and meet Subtronics, and he let me hang out in the media aisle the whole time. So that's why I rave, because it's the best experience ever.
Oh, we love to see it, you guys. We are all such unique, little, precious, multifaceted gems.
Let's get a big group hug in there.
Yes.
Ripley's doesn't have anything on this. All right, so on 3, we're gonna say Lost Lands, okay?
Amazing. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Lost Lands! Thank you all so much for coming to the welcoming ceremony, Lost Lands 2022! Magic. Jake.
My penis is erect.
So this is Jake Cortini. Follow him on Instagram, TikTok. He's at Jake Cortini.
Thank you. I feel honored.
You're welcome. Yes, you may.
Vlogging.
What's your ad? Let people follow you.
On Instagram?
Yeah.
Instagram is ANNABELL5601. It's 2 separate names, I promise.
She promises.
I promise.
Bro, just bump into Brian.
We out here. Day -1.
Dude,
of Lost Lands.
This is a fucking Lost Lands legend. Did you know that people fucking listen to, like, look at your vlog to, like, get ready for
the
Lost
amount of
Lands?
people that have told me that already, bro, it's
Dude,
insane.
I was like,
we haven't even started the festival yet, bro.
I was like, it's my first fucking Lost Lands, so I know you didn't fucking get me at all. But I got a bunch for like Nocturnal last week. Anyways, this is my friend group right here.
I'm Brian.
Hey, this is Amorphic's brother.
Oh, what? Yo!
Yeah!
What's up, bro? Nice to meet you. Hey, yo.
Yeah, man. Back at the campsite. We just got done with the welcoming ceremony. Met a bunch of people. I bumped into Revlo, VRG, and then I bumped into the Festival Finesser. But back at my campsite, hanging out here, and doesn't look like anybody's here at all. Oh my God, look at Brandon, he's so cute. Anyways, nobody else is.
like anybody important here.
Okay, 65% battery. That's good. I've been charging my shit all fucking day, so let's fucking hope. I'm gonna go with. We had to put our shit down because it's about to like rain and thunderstorm. So, anyways, we put our shit down. I've been hanging with Brent and Chubbi Wubbi. We're about to go with EDM Sham. I guess the like playing on stage, so we're gonna go on stage and chill out. All right.
Oh, yo, Lawfence, how the fuck we feeling? Oh, that's all right. I'm asking, how the fuck are we feeling? Oh, that's a lot better, yeah. But y'all fuck with drum and bass.
Okay, so a rainstorm is coming. Wait, yeah, a rainstorm is coming. We're leaving. We're getting the fuck out of here. Great time. Yeah, we're getting the fuck out of here.
All right, this message has been brought to you by.
Dude, I'll do some fucking vlogging for you, bro.
One Leg Raver.
I guess the storm missed us. Fuck me. Anyways, look at our babes. Ah! We have another babe right here.
Oh wait, hello there.
I'm sorry.
There we go. There we go. Babies everywhere. And another babe right there.
Yeah.
Okay, done. Let's go.
All right, babies. Big Dong here. Fucking live. Porta potties. Get twisted. Yo, my man. Everybody here, we're family, we're friends. I've never seen a crowd. Yeah, yeah. Wait, get our bus.
Whoa, those are.
I got one more song. I got a very special guest for
Oh,
this.
you guys look adorable.
Make some fucking noise for Excision right now.